Yo, what's poppin'? Yo, I'm back. We back. It's your boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer. Yo, we back up in this thing with another one, baby. Yo, so today, first of all, let me address something, right? You know, we got the Boneyard drip on. I love this shirt. You know, we gotta represent for this video. We got a special video coming through. My homies at Boneyard, you know, opened up opened up a new, you know what I'm saying, version of their store, man. Chicago. It's coming, staple of Chicago. Boneyard Chicago, baby. You know what I'm saying? You ever been here, you done probably heard about this spot, man. It's the premier vintage, you know what I'm saying, Supreme, Yeezy, Jordan, whatever's hot, exclusive, you probably gonna find that shit in Boneyard in the city, man. You know, and they show you love, they show you mad love, man. Plus they killing it with the logos, the merch and all that. You know, again, y'all peep the drip, you know what I'm saying? Hella fire, hella dope. You know, a lot of big things, great things happening over there, man. Shout out to my homies over there at Boneyard. But, you know, I wanted to go ahead, you know, and kind of give y'all a look at the new store and, you know, the re-grand opening, baby. You know what I'm saying? You know, Boneyard is gonna be a special place, you know, for my channel, because if you remember, one of the first places, probably the first video on my channel that I did was, you know, a video of Boneyard, kind of like showing y'all into the first location. So if you haven't seen that video, man, some nostalgia shit, I'm gonna put that link in, you know, the description somewhere. You know what I'm saying? But, you know, now it's 2018, 2019. We got bigger shit, bigger and better things happening. You know what I'm saying? And that's what it is, man. So without further ado, enjoy this nice little vlog, man. You know, check out the new spot, the new space at Boneyard. You know, North South Ashland. I'll put the address and all that in the description. You know what I'm saying? But let's get it.
Boneyard.
I'll do 80.
Man, you'll do 80?
Let me know on 80.
No, man, 100, man.
80.
Let's show the bag, baby.
I'm
100.
firm. I'm firm.
Never seen people camped out at a Boneyard drip, man. Robbie, what you camping out for?
Shit. Retro. Fuck you mean?
Retros?
Hell yeah.
Oh my God. Never thought I'd see the day we got a line for Boneyard, baby. You know, Q the Flu, we just out here chilling, man. You know, I don't want no smoke today. We're gonna check out the homie Boneyard new store, and we're gonna see what it's looking like, what's popping out here. Gang. Ripping plastic out that joint. Good. Vintage Yay glow in the dark. What you know about it, man? Americana front and back. You know what I'm saying? Vintage, baby. The dark 12. Look at the 3M on this guy. Dave was doing this thing on the merch back then, man. I wish I knew better back then. Fire. Only this was my size. He'd be coming home with me. Yay. Yay Pop Shakur, baby. Fire. You already know Boneyard got the clout box out here. Got the bait. Supreme. New display, baby. Cage, you ain't walking off with this. Not in the 2019, baby. Fire accessories, baby. Last time you seen that Supreme promo. Fire. Of course, Supreme hoodies, Supreme tees, all the colors you need. We lit over here. Got that official Boneyard merch now, baby. Lighters, shot glasses. Man, Supreme, you dig? Yo, we got reusable styrofoam double cups, baby. These joints are hard too, man. Right here. And we still got the clout box in the you dig. You see? Is that like the selling station? Look at that. True to it. You wasn't lying when you said all his early merch was gilded, huh?
Dude, man, up until like 4 years ago, you could find them like pretty decently priced, but now they're like, have you looked at eBay? Like, they're like 300, 400 sometimes. All that early content merch.
Yeah, my boy up in here, Boneyard Chicago, man. How you feel about the store?
Man, Joe, it's a huge blessing for us, bro. Great space, good vibes, good energy. We're about to have a good time, you know.
It's 2K19 shit, gang, whole lot of gang shit.
Period.
You already know, man. But it's your boy Q the Flu. We back in the next frame. I'll leave y'all with my closing thoughts. Let's get it. Yo, flight school pulling up. Robbie, the Boneyard. It's our shit, man. We gotta protect our city, baby. Boneyard is a staple.
I always touch the item. Come on now, baby.
These are size 10, that's why I can't fit in them motherfuckers. Jam my toes up.
I feel that.
I ain't gonna lie, I wore them a few times.
I wish them motherfuckers was my size. You already know, Chicago, baby. We got that Remy bottle just done doing this thing out here. You know what I'm saying? Got the super laces out here. We already know, man. Chicago, turn it up. Lit out here, man. Flight school in the building.
You already know how we rocking now.
You know what I'm saying? We out here. Lit.
Hey, so, yo, we back. You know what I'm saying? Again, man, so much love, Boneyard, man. You know, the premiere, you know, you probably gonna see me doing a lot of my sneaker trades, you know, really locally in the city. If I ain't getting the retail manual, that's probably where I'm going to get it. You know what I'm saying? We willing, dealing, doing all type of steals, all that, man. They show you mad love. You know, at least they show me mad love. I fuck with my peoples over there. You know what I'm saying? But y'all let me know how y'all feel about that new space in the comments, man. If you ain't ever been to Chicago, man, whenever you in town, make sure you check them out at the location. I'm pretty sure you're gonna find something, you know, worthwhile, man. You know, really around here, the innovators of the key master, you know, winning shit, you know, at the little key machine that's going crazy, taking the nation by storm. Everybody gotta have one, you know, and they doing really big things over there. You know what I'm saying? So, y'all let me know how y'all feel about the shop, man. But as always, it's your boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer. You already know how we rocking around here, Flu Gang TV. Gang, 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 gang.
The Chicago, nigga!